People, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I am going to prepare cabbage and corned beef, or as we call it in Jamaica, bully beef. So this is the cabbage that I soaked in some salt water and then rinse and then cut up, and then I leave it on the counter for 15 minutes so that the gases can release. Now I am going to season it. However, this is the corned beef, and right here is 1 tomato slice, few slices of pepper, and piece of sweet pepper, 1 small onion slice, and 1 clove garlic. So now I am going to season the cabbage. I am going to put just a little bit of salt because the corned beef contains some amount of salt, not a lot, but still need a little bit of salt on the cabbage. So also I am going to add some black pepper, about 1/8 teaspoon, and I'm just going to gently rub the salt and the black pepper all over the cabbage. I am also going to use some dried thyme, about 1/8 teaspoon. People, this is a skillet with cooking oil, canola oil to be exact. So I am sauteing the fresh herbs. Alright people, so how you wanna cook your cabbage and corned beef, it's up to you. For me, basically, I rather to saute the herbs, and then I am gonna put the cabbage to allow the cabbage to steam. The heat is on medium because I want a bit of a crunch to my cabbage. So now I'm just gonna cover the pot. The heat is on medium, and allow the cabbage to steam. Just let the cabbage continue to steam. Now the cabbage is steamed to my satisfaction, which is crunchy. I am going to add the corned beef. And it's basically, I'm just warming up the corned beef because the corned beef already cooked. You can eat the corned beef all by itself, So I'm just basically warming up the corned beef. And the cabbage is more than the corned beef. That's how I want it. sprinkle a little bit more black pepper on the corned beef, or bully beef as they say in Jamaica. So I'm just going to cover the pot. For about a minute or 2 minutes. So there you go, cabbage and bully beef, or bully beef and cabbage.